Lotus Elise WX05 KAK. Damage on the rear. We've made a replacement section which has been grafted in, and fiberglass inside and out. Same with the crack there. Front bumper was damaged, that's been removed. There was a damage on the clam, that's been repaired inside and out. And we've made a new bumper, and that'll be going on shortly. So that's the new front bumper fitted to the clam. And the repair of the crack is now finished completely. There's some small trays in here. This has now been glassed outside and inside, so triple thickness there now, so good repair there. And a small repair has been done on that part of the clam, once again glassed outside and inside. So that's the bumper now fitted, all glassed into shape, all of the panel gaps and lines now done. So we're ready to put that into filler primer. And the back end damage, that's all fully repaired. It's now at its first skim, a very light skim. We don't try to put a lot of filler on. It's more fiberglass and filler, and that way the repair stays strong. So they're ready now for the first coat of filler primer.